It was... Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a little DIY video. Maybe you guys have seen the trend going around on Instagram and YouTube. It's the cloud foam mirror inspired by Gustaf Westman popcorn-like design that he does for benches and for mirrors, I think. So yeah, yesterday I went to Home Depot. I'll insert a little clip after. I am just on my way to Home Depot because I had placed an order of the PU foam that I'm gonna use for my mirror. Then I'm going to my friend's Jade house to buy off a mirror that she's not using anymore. So yeah, I thought I would take you guys on this little adventure of mine. I took a really big nap today, so can we just take a moment of appreciation? Like, wow. I also picked up a white base primer to seal the foam in because I read online that if you don't seal it in, it can oxidize over time and it can turn yellow as time goes by, so we do not want that. So yeah, I will take you guys along the journey with me. So my mirror is on the floor, making sure I protect the floor with some garbage bags. Completed the mirror one time and I used 2.5 bottles. I think I'm gonna go in again and make it more fluffy. So this is after a second layer of the PU foam, and I think it looks much better, much fuller. I'm just a little bit worried about some of the sides sticking to the garbage bag, but I think it'll be okay. I'll come and check on it after an hour. It's actually so cold today in Montreal. Look at this little baby. Hello, little baby. What are you doing? It's been about an hour or more. The exterior has solidified a bit, but it's still very mushy, so I'll probably have to leave it for 24 hours overnight. But I'm excited to see the result. So it has been 24 hours since I last did my mirror, and it has completely solidified. I wanted to paint it today, but I also want to take some photos of it, so I'm probably going to take some photos first, go buy the paintbrush, and then paint it. Sorry for how I look. I literally just woke up and was too excited to put on any makeup or do my hair because I just really wanted to see how my mirror turned out. It's pretty solid. Pretty freaking solid. I mean, I wouldn't, you know, try to punch it or anything. Move the furniture around to get a nice photo. It's been about a full day since I have the mirror and I actually took some content this morning with it and I absolutely love it. I love how it matches the aesthetic of my living room and it was actually not that hard to do. So if you're looking for a cute DIY project to do, this is a great one and it's not that expensive. And if you're just trying to repurpose or spruce up a little bit, I think it's a fun, cute project to do.